Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how you can achieve your messages on your Facebook Messenger. So in case you don't know how to achieve messages on Facebook Messenger, then follow these steps. Then you make sure that you have your Facebook Messenger app. So you just come on your Facebook Messenger app and tap on it open. So for my case it is here. I'm going to open it. It is here. So just come on your Facebook Messenger app and tap on it open. So when you tap on your Facebook Messenger app, go to the recent conversation list and select the conversation that you want to achieve. Just select the conversation you want to achieve. Once selected, long press on it and select. You just long press on it. Let me say, if like I want to achieve, let me say, if like I want to achieve this conversation here, you just come on it and long press on it. So when you long press on it, you'll see that they bring here the word achieve. So you just tap on that word achieve. So successfully your message will be achieved. So like your chat will be achieved, and this simple step will recently put a selected conversation into the archives. So you can even later use these archives to recover permanently deleted messages. So thank you for watching, and please, if you're new, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.